How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name's Justin, and today I have a couple things that I want to do to my car that I can't really make individual videos for, so I figured I'd just put it into one. This front trim piece here, it's very faded. It sat in the sun for too long, but I've been wanting to see if I can make this piece a little darker. Also, if you take a look in here, we've got this nasty coffee stain from my mom's daily pumpkin spice frappuccino. I'm a good son. I bring her coffee. So we're gonna see what I can do. I have these two. This Meguiar's trim restore stuff and then this upholstery cleaner. And I've tried this before and I know that it works. Let's see how it goes. First of all, I don't want to do the work to tape off all of the parts that I don't want hit by the trim restorer. I'm gonna take the grill piece out, and for that, I need to take the whole bumper off. So that's fun. Keep a big box of tools in my trunk at all times. It's really helpful. Also, I got this fancy new tripod and I'm excited to use it. Cool. Bumper off. Boom. And this is the one piece that we needed. I'm gonna see if I can make this piece a little darker than it is now. Right. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I'm gonna let this dry for a minute and let's go see what we can do about the seat. Oh! The grill dried and it was this grayish, kind of dark, faded, and this is what it is now. It's very deep. It looks super nice and I'm pretty happy with it. It's awesome. It looks so much better. So basically, on both sides, there are these little screws that needed to come out, and I couldn't reach them until I took the bumper off. It seems like such a small thing to come off of a huge, removal. All right, sweet. Awesome, check that out. I'm definitely really happy with how it looks. For what it is, I think that it looks great, and it's such an improvement. And it's such an improvement from what it was. Man, and just look at that. That is awesome, dude. Oh, I love it so much. And the same thing with that stain. It is basically completely gone. I'm gonna go over this spot once more, but once that's done, it should look awesome. I've been wanting to do this to my car for a while, repair this. That coffee stain happened just the other day. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm so glad that I did it. It looks so freaking good. Like, just, oh man, it was so faded and it was gray before and it just blended in, but now it draws so much more attention to it. I'm glad that I did it. Yeah, that's basically all I had for you guys today. Let me know how you like these kind of videos. It's different than the most of the stuff that I do. And I guess as always, peace out.